recent intervention by the world governing body of football, FIFA, into the Caribbean, resulting in a total takeover of the Trinidad and Tobago FA via what is called a normalization committee. While in Jamaica, they may take over the JFF yet, but strong reprimands and recommendations have come. Now, first and foremost, FIFA is recommending a widening of the voting pool to include more stakeholders in the process. They have mandated the engagement of legal, financial, and commercial expertise at the board level, and the removal of voting delegates from the board for the election of the president. Yes. These were some of the things that local football stakeholders have been clamoring for the past 2 years. And of course, there is the recommendation for term limits for the president and an insistence on gender inclusion at the board level. And for sure, we now have to wonder if these recommendations are stemming from those multiple mysterious visits by the FIFA auditors. One thing I can tell Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Wint, you must give thanks to Jesus. Yes. You lucky the normalization committee never grabbed the JFF and fling you out of office. Yes. Mr. Ricketts, count your blessings. Yes, it could be worse. Yes, Mr. Ricketts. Mr. Ricketts, you drop asleep? Hold on, my quick neck. Mr. Ricketts.